Welcome to a Land Rover guide to the Land Cruiser. So, full disclosure here, I'm an avid Land Rover fan. You'll probably see from the hat. If you cut me, I'll bleed green, that kind of thing. On the internet, there's this kind of raging war between Land Cruiser and Land Rover owners about which is better. And it's mostly full of people shooting from the hip and mouthing off because of some kind of tribal allegiance with the vehicle they own. Now, I've never really known actually which is better. So I'm the sort of person that likes to get first-hand experience before I make my mind up. So I've got myself a Land Cruiser here, and in this series of videos, I'm going to find out which is better. Now, this is not going to be a comparison of their on and off-road ability, because the internet is absolutely full of those kind of comparisons, videos, articles, what have you. Now, I'm going to be looking at more of a mechanical and a maintenance perspective about essentially how has Toyota tried to solve the same problems that Land Rover has. Now, I'm going to be using the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series because that's probably the most comparable model to the Defender. It's Toyota's more utilitarian offering. And they're both designed to do the same thing, which is basically carrying a lot of people or stuff over difficult terrain in difficult environments. This is a 79 model of the Land Cruiser, which means it's a pickup of the 70 series. This one was built in around about 2000, and in about 2007 they made some changes to the model, but for all intents and purposes this is the same as the more modern vehicles. Now, I don't actually have a Defender with me at the moment, but I'm a Defender fan, and if you're watching this video I can assume you're probably a Defender fan as well. So naturally you've probably spent most weekends lying underneath one, and I'm going to assume you know what all the little different areas look like. This is the internet, so naturally everything I say and everything you see and hear will be my opinion. So there. This model wasn't really sold in Europe because it's kind of Toyota's more rest of the world specification offering. Now, on that basis, I'm going to use the Defender 300 TDI 110 for my comparison. That's partly because it was Land Rover's own rest of the world specification offering, and I also know it like the back of my hand. The other benefit is they both got non-electronic engines, which kind of makes the comparison a little bit fairer. Click here to go to the next video. Right here. That's where the button is. Right there.